Welcome back to Profit Path. Artificial intelligence is booming in 2025, and today I'll show you 3 easy ways to use AI to make real money this year, and stick with me until the end, because the third method could actually replace a full-time income if you take action. Tip number 1. AI content creation. With tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, you can write blog posts, ebooks, or even social media captions in minutes. Businesses pay a lot for content, and with AI, you can deliver faster and earn more. Tip number 2. AI design and visuals. Platforms like MidJourney and Canva AI let you create stunning logos, t-shirt designs, or marketing graphics instantly. You can sell them on Fiverr, Etsy, or even build your own online shop. This is a growing market in 2025, and people are already making thousands with it. Tip number 3. AI-powered freelancing. Many people don't know how to use AI tools effectively. That's where you come in. You can offer services like video editing with AI, building chatbots, or even AI voiceovers, and get paid on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to know how to use the tools. AI is not the future. It's happening right now. The real question is, are you going to use it to your advantage, or watch others do it? If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Profit Path, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next strategies to grow your income.